Hey there, Raiders. Here's how to get a better captain's cabin in Sand. If you're the owner of the Trampler, you'll automatically become its captain, whether you're playing solo or with a crew. That makes the captain's cabin one of the most important compartments on your Trampler. Not only is it your personal respawn point if you're downed, but it also houses your Trampler's ownership device. If an enemy manages to take control of it, you could lose ownership of your Trampler, so keeping it well protected is essential. To unlock a stronger captain's cabin, head back to the main lobby and open the tech tree. Navigate to Godlewski's branch, where you'll find the captain's cabin upgrade. Before you can unlock it, you'll first need to obtain the first crew cabin upgrade, as it's a prerequisite. Once you've met the requirement, you'll need 2,800 crowns and 75 coral chunks to unlock the reinforced captain's cabin. This upgraded version offers improved health and armor, making it much more difficult for enemy raiders to destroy. At the moment, this is the only captain's cabin upgrade available in the game, though more variants may be added in future updates. After unlocking it, return to your Trampler's build page and replace your existing captain's cabin with the reinforced version. For maximum protection, consider placing it deeper inside your Trampler and surrounding it with other compartments, making it much harder for enemy players to reach. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.